it is day 2 technically in Tokyo, but the first full day in Tokyo, or in Japan. Just finished up having dinner at the Just finished having breakfast at the hotel, and then we came up and then I had to iron some of our clothes, so just ironed that really quick. Now we're gonna go head into Shibuya. First stop will be Polene because I want to go get my Polene bag, and then tonight we've got go-karts, so we will be just sort of hanging at Shibuya, going to all the shops and like the scramble crossing and everything, and then be going to the go-karts. This is Imran. I'm scared it's going to be cold, but he said it should be alright. If anything, we'll just go buy some heat tech or something for him to wear. I'm wearing like a little fleece turtleneck thing, also from Uniqlo. Are we ready to go?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna pack my bag and then we're gonna go because I need to bring everything else. Okay, hey everyone. So I'm gonna do a voiceover of what we just sort of did. We did a quick walk around the Shibuya area where Polene is. I don't think it's directly in Shibuya because we did walk a little bit to get here, but we just had a quick walk around while we waited because we ended up getting to the area quite early. Polene opened at 11. I think we got there like 9:30, so we had some time to kill, but we did end up being about third in line, which is nice. This is the store. We were like in the luxury area where like Prada was, Montclair, Gentle Monster, COS, Alexander Wang was next to Polene, and then there was actually Acne Studios just around the corner as well.
My heels are hurting a bit.
Imran says his heels are hurting. We're just walking, but quick update. We went to Polene and I got my Polene bag that I've been wanting for like a year and a bit, a year-ish. We went there pretty early before they opened, and then we were just waiting, and then got this, walking straight back out now. We're gonna go back to the hotel so I can put this away, and then we'll be going back to Shibuya area. And yeah, how are you feeling?
Alright.
Yeah, I'm also sweating, so when we get home I'm gonna change really quick. Honestly, I'm thinking maybe I just put a shirt on underneath this, and then when it gets hot I just take the jumper off. Yeah, my purchase, very happy about this, and we got the tax refund back for it. Pretty good. So Imran's looking at me funny. I made my big girl purchase at Polene in Tokyo today. We got there at like 9:40, checked it out. There was one person waiting in line, and then we went to 7-Eleven, came back. It was like 10:20 maybe when we started lining up, and then we went in, bought the bag. It is now 12, so it took like 2-ish hours. But yeah, my bag, I've been wanting this for ages. Maybe I'll bring the lid home. Just the lid.
No.
It's got Polene on it, look.
Wait, hold it out. That could be a thumbnail to your YouTube vlog.
You can't even tell.
Yeah, you can't. Loser.
That's why people do this.
And then you blur the bag.
Open it up here. This comes with the bag. This is the bag. It's the Polene seam. I think it's seam bag. This is the bigger one. I just think it'll look better. So cute.
That thing's bigger than your fucking body, Jenn.
So it can look bigger like this, but the other way I think it looks better.
I mean, it's just what you need. You can probably make it wider for your work.
That is the bag. Oh, it comes with a small mini
Handbag?
bag, like one of these bags.
Yeah.
I'm sweating. Now we're gonna go to Shibuya and do some shopping. Okay, and then here we are just kind of having a stroll. Imran was trying to guide us to the like Harajuku area where all of like the thrift stores were. So this is us like on the way there. I have no idea exactly where we were, but it was a really nice sunny day and it was really good to get our steps up. Ended up going to 7-Eleven and I really needed a drink, so I got this like strawberry banana mango smoothie. It was really good. Walked around the Harajuku area, saw Hermes, that was Tiffany & Co. Louis Vuitton was like down the street as well, so this was also like sort of the luxury area as well. I ended up going into Cass space and getting a phone case there. I don't think I ended up showing the phone case, but they had some really nice ones and I ended up grabbing something really cute. Then walked around. This is Takeshita Street and we ended up going into this photo booth. It was so cute. So this is us taking our cute little photos. and then our photos turned out really cute. So here's a quick little snippet of it. Ended up then going and grab lunch. This was like nearly like 3-4 p.m. like we were starving, and I'm going into gyukatsu beef cutlet, and it was so good for our first proper meal in Japan. This was absolutely amazing, and I still think about this. And then we started heading on our way to our go-karting appointment. Hello.
Hello.
We've done a lot of shopping in like the Harajuku area.
That's a shopping district.
Yeah, Harajuku is a
More than Shibuya.
Shibuya is just more the scramble crossing and Shibuya Sky and that. Anyways, we're now going to our go-karting experience. We booked with Neo Tokyo Kart, so that's where we're going. Yeah, I don't know how much I'll be able to film. I don't know if I'll be able to film with this or with my phone.
You can do it with your phone, people do it.
Yeah, so we'll see how it goes. If not, we'll just come back with our experience after and if we recommend it. I'm just gonna show you a few quick little videos of us doing our go-karts. I couldn't like properly vlog because I was only able to record when we were stopped at a red light. So there's a few little cute videos of me and Imran. I'm sorry that some of them are recorded the wrong way. I was just trying to get cute videos of us two together.
Oh my god! Bro, I'm getting chops now. Come on! Wowie, wowie! Come on! Why not? Yeah! Say hi! Come on! Point up! Hey! We found a park. Your man's got. Well, I'm on this. Okay, fuck. Ah! Ah! Wait, I should really be recording this on the actual camera. Wait. Ah! Me and Imran have found this like spinny thing. Imran's gonna spin me. Alright, go.
Pretty fast for what it is.
I might throw up.
Is it? Not really.
A little bit.
Alright, walk in a straight line. Quick, get up, quick. How do you flip this camera?
Just tap in the bottom. Just tap it once.
Oh,
Well, I'm not dizzy anymore.
yeah, you're not.
Too late. Yeah, pretty.
Bro, you see, you gotta start vlogging like this, bro. Like this.
Anyways, let's do a debrief of our experience go-karting.
No, we can go in there. What time is it? And what time does it come?
In 10 minutes.
Oh, we can go up here.
No, just the alley's got a bit closer.
No, wait, Jen, how close do you want to be, girl?
No, I just want to make sure that we just don't miss it because I don't know how long it will be.
Where's the bus stop? Isn't it just up down the stairs?
Yeah, I think it's on the side of the stairs.
Yeah, we'll just yeah. What if I drop the camera as well? Scheiße, me. Oh yeah. Hey, there's a slide here. There's a slide. It's a slide after you do it. I don't think you should go down the slide.
Why?
I don't know. You're holding the bags. Alright, you point at me and then you slide the bags down.
Okay, ready? Go.
Oh, I'm scared.
No, it's fine. Okay. No. Okay, POV, you're going down the stairs. No.
Hey, it's actually pretty fast, yeah?
Yeah.
Maybe that's because we haven't gone down the slide
Yeah.
in like 1 year.
Maybe because we're fat and we just go down really fast. And then towards the end of the day, after we had finished our go-karts and got back to the Shibuya area, we did a walk around and then we ended up getting Macca's. We got chicken nuggets, Imran got chicken burger, and yeah, catch you guys soon for Japan Day 4. See you then. Like, comment and subscribe. Bye everyone.